So that's it then. That is the story of how we converted a garage with a shed extension into a studio. And if you go back to the very first part, I said imagine double doors with all of the studio stuff behind it. So let's walk in now. Imagination is now reality. And as we close the door, you're still hearing some echoes because nothing on the floor, no stuff in the room yet. I may yet put stuff on the ceiling actually. It may not be as aesthetically pleasing, but this is all about killing sound here. And so that is the room. Take a good look, because knowing me, it will never be as clean again. It will never be as empty as this again, of that I'm sure. And today I am aiming to put an electric piano right there. So let's see that happen, shall we? There's a lot of tidying up to be done in the main house. But we're making progress. I've already cleared a ton between now and this morning's adventures. Get that piano in, please. Because as soon as the piano's in, it's going to feel like a real studio, isn't it? A studio with one instrument. But there'll be more. As then this is a unique moment in history, empty, clean, ready, I thought we'd do one of those gallery view things with perhaps a little bit of music in the background. I hadn't appreciated how long this section is. I've got to keep singing for ages. Oh, that's enough of that. And this, after 8 years, is a very satisfying moment here at sci-fi-funk.com. 2 instruments adorn my studio, 2 beaten up old pianos. This one in need of repair. Some of the keys are a bit dodge. And this one just looks a state, but actually plays really nice. Don't have a piano stool anymore. I do have pedals somewhere. And it's been a lot of effort to clean up the house to get them out and everything. They still work. If I could put this on a tripod or something, I'll give you a quick demo. I'm very rusty as well, but the piano